So today I'm going to show you how to make minion Easter eggs. So you want to start by getting 2 plastic Easter eggs, one blue and one yellow. And then you just want to pull them apart. Then you'll save the bottom of the blue egg and the top of the yellow egg. And then you'll just put them together to make a multicolored egg. And then get yourself a set of googly eyes. And just hold those on the egg and put a little dot with a permanent marker on each side of the eyes. And so then just take that line and go all the way around. And then you just want to make it thicker so that it's the headband. And then just take a little bit of glue and you just want to glue your eyes onto the headband. You can either do the guy with one eye or I'm doing one of the ones with 2. You want to leave a little bit of space in between the eyes. Just like that. So then take some silver puffy paint. You want to go around each eye with the puffy paint to make the rims of the goggles. Just gives them a little more of a goggle look. Then just take a thin tipped marker and you want to draw on a mouth and then a few little sprigs of hair at the top. And there you go, you got your little minion egg. And I just use plastic eggs for this because they're less messy, but you could also do it with real eggs. Just paint the top of the egg yellow and the bottom of it blue and then add on the details.